Let me ask you something very critical. What if an implant used in a patient is not approved? What if its batch number is not traceable? What if it fails inside the patient? Serious complications, legal issues, patient safety risk. That's why NABH has defined MOM.10 safe use of implants or medical devices. Because once implanted, there is no margin for error. Hello everyone, I am your NABH guide. Today's session is extremely important because MOM.10 is directly linked to patient safety, legal compliance, traceability. In this session, we will cover each objective element in detail, practical implementation, audit expectations, common non-conformities, how to ensure full compliance. Let's begin. Scientific or regulatory approval. First rule, you cannot use any implant randomly. Requirement, use based on scientific evidence, must have approvals from Ungli Se Dahini or Ishara National Authority, CDSCO, India, international bodies, like US, FDA, responsibility, multidisciplinary committee. What should be checked? Safety, effectiveness, clinical evidence, regulatory approval. Assessors may ask, how did you approve this implant? Mechanism for usage. Using implants is not just a surgical act, it is a controlled system. Requirement, written SOP covering procurement, storage, issuing, usage, must include manufacturer instructions, infection control practices, sterility maintenance, improper storage, implant failure risk. Patient counseling. Patient has the right to know. Requirement, explain to patient, family, type of implant, device, risks, precautions, follow-up requirements. Examples, avoid certain activities, report symptoms immediately. Documentation, must be part of informed consent. Consent without counseling, not valid. Traceability, batch or serial number, this is one of the most important points. Requirement, record, batch number, serial number, manufacturer details. Where to document? Patient file, master logbook, discharge summary. Special case. If no sticker available, alternative identification system required. Traceability, critical during recall or complication. Recall system. What if an implant is later found defective? You must track and act fast. Sources of recall, manufacturer, regulatory authority, internal feedback. Requirement, defined recall SOP, identify affected patients, inform patients, take corrective action. Documentation, recall records maintained. Without traceability, recall becomes impossible. Common non-conformities. Now let's see what assessors commonly find. No approval process for implants, no SOP for device handling, poor storage conditions, no patient counseling, missing batch, serial numbers, no traceability, no recall system, documentation gaps. How to comply? Step 1. Approval system, committee-based approval, regulatory compliance. Step 2. SOP implementation, procurement to usage, infection control. Step 3. Patient counseling, standard counseling format, document in consent. Step 4. Traceability system, sticker-based recording, logbook and discharge summary. Step 5. Recall mechanism, SOP, patient tracking system. Step 6. Documentation, implant register, consent forms, recall logs. Step 7. Training, doctors, nurses, OT staff. Final summary, MOM.10 is about control, traceability, and safety, approved devices, safe handling, patient awareness, full traceability. This ensures patient safety, legal protection, quality care. If your hospital is preparing for NABH, do not ignore implant and device management. Because one error here can have lifelong impact. Remember, medicines act for a few hours, but implants stay for life. So your system must be perfect. In the next video of this NABH training series, we will discuss medical supplies or consumables management. If you want to learn NABH standard step by step, then video को like करें, channel को subscribe करें, notification bell on करें, so you never miss upcoming NABH training videos. Medi Quality Partners, your trusted NABH guide. Thank you for watching.